A new day begins in the heart of the wild. Every drop of life reflects the forest's awakening.
This untouched world breathes in silence. Even the smallest creatures follow the rhythm of the forest.
Life stirs above the forest floor. The young ones begin their playful dance.
Every family watches over its young. Bonding keeps the troop strong.
The forest becomes their playground.
Breakfast begins high above the ground. No movement escapes his gaze. The king surveys his kingdom. Every scent tells a story. The wind carries stories from far away. The king returns to the silence. The giants begin their morning ritual.
Cool water begins the day. Youth brings joy to the herd.
Every line tells a history of strength. Together they move as one. In the open plains, calmness finds its rhythm. Their stripes create order in motion.
Every stripe is a signature of the wild.
Instinct sharpens with every sound. And the herd drifts into the horizon. And the herd drifts into the horizon. A shadow moves between the trees.
Every step is measured.
Patience is the predator's true power. Focus sharpens, silence deepens. and the shadow disappears once more. Silence hides the deepest secrets. A patient hunter waits beneath the calm. Barely a breath, yet fully aware. Stillness breaks, but only for a moment. And the hunter vanishes into quiet depths. Colors bloom in the treetops. Grooming keeps wings ready for the sky. A call echoes across the treetops. The sky welcomes its vibrant traveler. A splash of color across a sea of green. High above the forest floor, the leopard waits in quiet peace. His calm gaze hides ancient instincts. Even in rest, the wild is never truly still. Strength relaxes into gentle motion.
A whisper in the forest draws his attention.
Speed and grace merge into motion. The herd moves like a single heartbeat. Every stride pushes life forward. Light crowns the herd with fleeting brilliance. And the wild returns to silence. High above the forest, the sky's hunter glides. Wings carve through the endless air. Precision unmatched. Grace returns to the sky. The guardian of the skies rests once more. Life slips quietly beneath the forest veil. Every life leaves a trail. Every scent tells a story. The day gently surrenders to dusk. Colors melt into the horizon.
and the wild continues, always alive.